In this video, we're going to show you how to install the gas cap on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located behind the fuel door. Go ahead and open up the gas tank door. I'm going to go ahead and grab our tether, which is attached right here to the fuel door. We're going to use our trim button, or trim tool, to go ahead and remove the button here, pop that out. And you just want to grab that, turn it counterclockwise, spin that off, and remove the cap. Take your gas cap, go ahead and spin that on. Want to make sure that that ratchets. You want to go ahead and take your tether, and we're going to attach that here. Simply take the end of it and push that on. Once you have that attached, go ahead and close that door, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.